guys, I just woke up. I got a message from my neighbor saying she left the heater on. So I have to go walk up to her house and turn the heater off. Let's go. Bubba is happy. And I just got my Crocs on. It's literally pouring down rain. To the rescue. What do you got? Okay, like a good neighbor, Jada is here to save the day. So I am now editing my next vlog, and for some reason this SD card like does not read in my phone, so I've been having to use the MacBook, which kind of like defeats the whole purpose of trying to be efficient. So basically I have to like copy all of these clips onto the desktop, and then I have to airdrop them to myself, and this whole process takes like 2 hours. So it's very frustrating, but this is what I have to do for you guys. This is what I've had to do for the last 2 vlogs. So hopefully this one goes up. I mean, it's gonna go up, but it's already 12. So day 3 is gonna be a little late. Okay, good morning, you guys. It's been a while since I updated you because I went up to my neighbor's house and then I got home and started editing my yesterday's vlog really quickly. I'm watching a streamer in the background, so excuse that, but I'm so hungry. I just edited and posted that YouTube video, so now I'm going to make breakfast. I'll probably do like a little edit with a audio song. Oh man. But I'm kind of feeling like an unhealthy breakfast, like an entire bagel sandwich, like breakfast bagel sandwich, even though that's what I had yesterday. You guys, we don't judge, okay? I got in a workout this morning already. My legs are sore. Let's make some breakfast. Here's my coffee. Made a big one today. And my breakfast sandwich is almost done. Okay guys, guess what time it is? Trevor just got home and he's asking for a haircut. So Mama J is gonna give baby T a haircut because I'm such a DIY queen. Let's see the before hair.
Before hair, long, messy.
Okay, I'm gonna do a transition. Are you ready guys? I'm gonna do this and then he's gonna be sitting. Transition. Oh. Take your hoodie off.
What?
The hood's messing with the vibe. What? At home haircut.
Probably down 1 for sure, so 2.
Okay, here's the haircut. Now you can look.
Oh, I love it. It looks really good.
Does it actually?
Yeah, it does. Thank you, Beebs.
I just feel like you've perfected my hair now. Because you do it so much.
This is like the 58,000th fucking haircut you've given
Let's
me.
take a thumbnail. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought we were making a thumbnail. I thought we were gonna do like the you cut my ear off
Can
thing.
you get all the hair off me?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah, actually pretty well. Dust them cheeks a little bit. Surprisingly working very well. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you. Get some and
Pokemon card sleeves.
ooh, baby just woke up from a long nap.
Oh, it's very good.
Are you hungry for some dinner?
Yeah.
Want to have leftover tortilla soup? Mind if I leave you with the vlog for a second?
I vlog. Got some Cheez-Its today. I'm very tired. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, those are nice. Hard plastic, so nothing would hurt the cords.
If you might need to go to Dutch Bros, because they have new cereal milk lattes. I'm reheating some chicken tortilla soup. A segment that was filmed on my vlog that you guys didn't get to see was Trevor talking about how, you know, you're getting to be an adult when getting new silverware is like a treat. Well, we got these new spoons. Well, we got all new utensils and they're so nice. I don't know. Oh, my nails. They're so nice. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but bitch, they're like good ass quality. Anyway, we're gonna eat leftovers. It's just been a chill day. I feel like every day has kind of been a chill day, but what can you do about it? It's winter time. It's gross outside. It's warm inside. Except if you live in our house. It's only warm under the blankets. Okay, we're running to the gas station because we want to get some drinks and he'll probably get some snacks.
I put all my Pokemon cards in the hard sleeves. I have a lot of really good ones.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
You guys, I don't know why this is, but every single time I eat soup, for some reason I crave like a really carbonated beverage afterwards.
Ooh, a vanilla Coke would be good.
Ooh. I told Trevor I wanted to go to Dutch Bros because their new like cereal milk lattes just came out, but I'm craving carbonation so much that like a coffee does not sound good. Anyway, we're gonna go to the gas station.
This be Creole.
Yum.
Yeah.
Can you record me trying my first sip?
Yeah.
You guys don't even know.
That guy right there is super, super nice. Like literally one of the nicest dudes ever.
You guys don't even know how badly I'm craving this. Okay.
And I got a crispy vanilla Coke.
Did you really?
Croak Dad. And I got some sweet tart gummy halos, so those should be pretty good.
Yum.
And we're gonna go home and we're gonna watch a movie. I was wanting to stream today, but this sickness is kind of kicking my butt again.
I know, I've been wanting to play Fortnite.
Oh, so we might have to play Fortnite. Maybe I'll just stream Fortnite later.
Okay, you guys, so I saw a TikTok on how to make at-home blizzards.
Hey, yo. Wait, what?
And I'm gonna do it. So all you need is a stand mixer, and ice cream, and then whatever mix-ins. It's big back season, because it's still my birthday week, you guys. Like, it's literally still the week of my birthday. I actually got this ice cream because we were gonna make molten lava cakes, which also sound bomb, but I just haven't had the fucking motivation to make them. So anyway, we have Tillamook vanilla ice cream. Factory is actually pretty close to where we live, and I take all the people that visit me from out of state here. No. And then you can add whatever mix-ins you want. But I was like, oh my god, I have these cupcakes. And how good would that be to mix them in? Is this big back behavior? Yes. This is what it looks like, and then let's see. Oh my god, it's not putting it. Anticlimactic. Okay, ready? We're gonna watch this. Oh. Yum.
Okay, this is me and Jay. We're playing Fortnite on stream today, and this was our first game on with crowns. No way. Jay's controller died like 4 times.
Damn it! Fuck him up. Good shit. On top. On the roof. Right there. Above you. Behind you. Fuck him up. Fuck him up! Fuck him up! Get his ass! Yeah!
Hey, if I'm dead, I'm just glad that was one of our last Fortnite rounds. That was a good round. I heard that she's so... I tweak in this bitch. And I let that shit go.
Wow, yours actually busting. Look at that.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Just one for you. Oh my god.
Taste test? Button. Cheers. Our button.
This is your sign to DIY your own blizzards.
Oh, baby, and we have like no dishes in.
Mother, I put your needs first. That's what scares me the most.
Mom, you can't start thinking like that.